Hey guys, what is poppin'? We are back here with another video. So in today's video, we are going kayaking back at that waterfall we went to a little bit ago. Where we made that nice kayaking video. Going back there, we're gonna try to make another one. Right now, AC is off in my house. So it is like 85 degrees in here, boys. So it's hard to film videos in here, so we're gonna go out there and make one. Sorry for the lack of uploads because YouTube's being kind of annoying right now and it's just hard to make videos. But we're gonna be getting more to you soon. So yeah, see you guys in a second.
If you guys are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button, it's free. And hit the bell icon so we'll come back every 30 minutes of every upload. And give us a like if you like this video. If you don't like it, then just like the video.
If you guys want more kayaking videos or any kind of videos, comment what you guys want so we can know what you guys want. We'll try to upload as much as we can, but
Road to 1K.
Alright, GoPro in 3, 2, 1. Hey boys, we're on the GoPro. About to get in the lake.
I've used my GoPro a long time.
We'll get to you right when we get on the lake. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it out onto the water. We got the helmets on, boys, so we'll get some head angles. So we're heading over to that waterfall. We'll probably swim on the way there just to cool down. It's hot out, it's like 90 degrees. So yeah, we're gonna switch between mine and Brett's camera. So yeah, let's get to Brett's right now. Hey boys, we're just cruising along here. Brett's coming over there, got the nice green helmet on. So, just gonna go take a swim probably, ripping through the lily pads. Woo! Hey boys, how's it going? Hope you enjoy the adventure.
Nice adventure.
Go slower, go behind you. So, hopefully these angles are good. We're gonna go for a quick swim, and then we're gonna head over to the waterfall. So I'm gonna get on the goggles and this yellow thing. I'm gonna get to you in a second. We're almost to the destination. Brett is ripping. Got the good angles with the GoPro. So, meet you over there. Alright boys, we are at the destination. Nice and sandy. Boys, and we're gonna go for a quick swim. Alright, boys, here's the kayak. Let's go. Oh, I need my goggles. Alright, let's go for a quick swim. Alright, boys. Let's go! Something just grabbed the GoPro, boys. I think it was a snapping turtle, but not 100% sure, boys. So we're going over to the waterfall. Let's go.
Remember when we just put our stuff down there, like threw the kayak down there? But we had nothing in there, so.
Yeah. Oh, there's my dad. He's chasing the wheel.
Oh yeah. There's waterfall over there, there's some waves from the wind. You can see the waterfall over there. I don't know if it's showing it, but we're gonna go over there and the waterfall is hopefully that the waterfall is going.
Brett's filming up there.
I'm leading the way.
Yeah, no, I just put my feet down.
See that? I think the waterfall is going. I don't think they blocked it.
We're just about to get there. We'll get to you in a second.
It's like the easiest thing where I don't have to paddle out all the current will take me to there. Not fast. They're late. Yeah. And he's crashing. We're like the Titanic, we're gonna fall.
Right, go on the waterfall.
No. Look at that flower. Oh, that's flower. That's a pipe. Alright.
We're about there now. Look at that stick. Oh, go down the waterfall. Brett's going down. It is? Brett, go! Huh? That's all you. Brett, go! Oh god, is it even sandy up here? Boys, I do not want to go down. Holy crap, boys, I almost just died. I almost just, oh, it's so much. Holy crap, boys.
I don't know, there's a lot of big rocks on here, so.
Right, jumping.
Jumping! Look at that. Stick.
Right, you jumping? Boys, I just sat down on the waterfall. My foot's in the waterfall, boys. So, I'm gonna get down there. Brett's gonna push the kayak down. How deep is it? Right here? Here we go. Alright, boys. Oh. Good, boys, we made it. Brett's kayak is down. Boys, Brett made it over. Let's go. Now we're gonna go.
Alright, boys. What should I do with my... I don't know how to get out. Should I come get it? I don't have to, right?
Let's go! It's so calm right here. Yeah, go. I almost hit my head on this. Alright. Right, go under there now. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, boys, we're gonna keep going downstream. We'll probably come back to the waterfall. Let's go one more time. Here we go.
Alright, boys. We're leaving. Fun journey. I lost my paddle. So, I'm at the paddle with this. Thanks. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna put my shirt on.
There's a bridge. What? Got the helmet on. I don't know if I. Oh, tree! Oh my goodness, boys. Here comes Brett. Just chilling. Alright. We'll get to you guys in a second.
This is the hardest river to conquer. Alright boys, past my first tree. I don't really have to do any work. See about my stuff right here? Yep, it's all underwater because it all went underwater. Best explanation ever. Layton's trying to do his work, but I don't know. I'm just trying to get away from the trees so I don't run into this. Like that, see, that was pretty sick. That was pretty dope.
Alright boys, bobber. Third find. We got the net. We got the bobber.
You said that was the third find.
Yeah, and then we got, forgot what else we found. But yeah, let's try to catch a fish.
Okay, so we just got a thing. I don't know, it's like a net. Layton told me to keep it, so this is where the rough comes in. We're about to go, we're probably gonna flip like 10 times, right Layton? This is the hardest river to go down in America.
Oh, we got fish.
Should I catch it? Huh? Oh. If I see a fish, I'm gonna try to catch it. Huh? Here. It'll come down to you.
Huh?
It'll come down to you.
Super sandy right here. I'm trying to catch that now. Alright boys, I'm going backwards. Reverse, skirt, and we are good. Trying to see some fish here. Get you if we do.
Okay boys, Layton is back. We need to go find some fish, but I remember last week we saw some fish over here at the other lake. And I'm caught. Let's just try to get away from this. There we go. And we're Gucci.
Look at this. It gets tight. Brett's Brett's gone. No. Brett, I can't stop. Let's go.
Okay, we're stuck.
Go, Brett, go. Brett got us stuck. Brett, go.
I can't.
Oh, Brett's getting up. There we go, I'm almost there. Brett got stuck on too. But he had to get. Alright, boys. Look at Brett. Woo! Oh, is that a log? Oh, yep. Rubbed it up. Brett, go!
Fish. We need some food. We're gonna cook it. Go to our campsite. Cause we're done.
Guys, we almost made it to the other lake. Isn't this where we saw that huge fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, boys, we're gonna try to catch that pup. Well, going under the bridge, so.
Bridge. Why did you do that?
Because you soaked me.
Nice job, now I'm gonna run into this.
Alright, boys, we're gonna go for a quick swim
Oh.
in this other lake. So, we'll get to you guys after, and then we gotta go upstream, so we'll get to you in a second.
I'm gonna walk.
Come over here. Boys, Brett has all the gear on right now. Brett, come over here. Swim. Alright, boys, check Brett out right now. Brett, look over here. Let's go. Brett just shoved me in that tree on purpose. He's gonna get. I was holding on to him and he didn't notice. Now he's mad. We're gonna get cruising. Ooh. What? Uh oh.
Oh, sorry, it's your freaking fault.
What? No.
Oh my God.
I don't
Stop running into me.
I have the best video idea. Kayaking in a lightning storm. Alrighty, it's a couple minutes later. Brett's still hiking up. We're almost back to the bridge, maybe like 5-10 minutes. Brett thought it was gonna be an hour, but it's supposed to storm, so we're trying to get out of here. We'll probably go in the waterfall one more time, right, Brett?
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna go in the waterfall again, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, boys, I am walking now because right here it's like so shallow. So, alright, there we go. Now it's deep again, so we're probably like just a little bit away from the waterfall. Seriously. Alright, we're gonna put our things back up the waterfall. Taking my shirt off. Right. Watch how I do.
Alright, boys, there to doing it. Yep. Maybe lose one of those things. He's done. He's done. What are you on? Oh no! It's gonna sink the boat. Push! Oh, the bobber. It's gonna come right back at you. There goes the seat. There goes the seat.
Alright, after 20 minutes, we both got our things up here. We're going to the waterfall. We're gonna unsubscribe. I will. Look at that. Make a wall. I'll put my hands in there. Boy, storm's coming in, we gotta go. Right, go! Alright, boys, I'll feed you in a second. In the rain. I'll try to hold it, the camera with my legs. I don't know how good this is gonna be, but just because I'm not putting it on the helmet because it's starting to rain. Brett's shirt's already gone, so he's not getting anything wet. But good thing I didn't bring my GoPro stuff, because I was thinking about bringing an extra battery. I would've been screwed. Oh, boys, it is really raining. It's cold. That too cold actually, but it's raining. And look, I'm sinking my boat on this, because I'm sitting way in the front. But get to you or close to landing. It's raining harder now. My boat's like sinking because I'm sitting in the front. Brett's GoPro's like dead.
turn it on? Oh, boys. We're the last hope. We'll get to you when we're at the wedding.
It starts pouring. Brett's back there.
Wait till you
It's literally pouring rain. Brett's way back there. Boys, this is not good. This is not good, boys. It is pouring rain. And, well, we still have to, ow! We still have to load everything up. But I'm almost back. It's like probably like 100, 200 feet. Get you when I get there. Guys, we made it. We made it, but Brett is so far back. Brett's probably half the lake. He's done. He is coming. Alright, boys, get to you in a second. We're docking it, boys. We're docking it. Oh. Made it. Alright, we'll see you in a second.
Brett! Paddle! Paddle!
Crazy raining right now. If it would have been a little longer, holy crap.